Hey, welcome or welcome back. It's Jen from Rustic Rehabs. Come with me to the Goodwill in Waukesha, Wisconsin. It's on Nike Avenue. They do a really great job of curating stuff. The prices can be a little bit high in my opinion though. The color blocking they do is absolutely on point. I'll show you later where they actually have the purple Skintimate shaving cream with all the other purple home decor. That driftwood ball was cool though. Somebody put a lot of work into that. It was $5 and I have it on my website and it's shop for $19.99, which is probably a steal. I'm not sure what this little pig used to be a top to, but I think it's adorable and we're just going to use it for staging. Put it by lots of pink things. You never know what you might find in the bag wall. There was some cute salt and pepper shakers and stuff, but nothing that I couldn't live without. This Buddha is pretty cool, but $14.99 is not that great of a deal, and we don't need it, so we will pass. That's a cute little 3-tiered tray. I definitely don't need any more of those. This had a chip in it, so we decided to put it back. This lamp is concrete and very, very cool. It had some scuffs on it and they wrote on it with a grease marker, but I was able to take a sand block and sand it down and then clean it up. This Mercury looking lamp is very cool, but I need to add a harp and I just passed. This I think is cool. I need to get some light bulbs, but I have a black one of these now and a white one of these chandeliers. But this industrial lamp is very cool. I've had these before. I don't know why or how apparently I filmed this in slow-mo. So here you go. Here's your special effects for the day. One of the things I was most excited about this Goodwill is they have really good art, but I really kind of struck out with that today because it was just really expensive, what I thought was expensive, and it's hard to film because it's so crowded in the art section. So you have to take my word for it or tell me if you've been to this Goodwill and what your take is on it. I originally passed on this cardinal stocking holder, but then I found a second one, and for $5.99, I think these will be really cute for Christmas. At this point, I was feeling like I wasn't going to find much, so I grabbed this where I normally wouldn't. And of course, you know me, I did end up getting a pretty full cart. I've not seen a little swan pitcher creamer before, have you? This little guy has a lot of potential, so we did a paint job on him, and this is what he looks like now. I used a little DIY crinoline and then plaster from DIY, followed by some dark wax. What do you think? You think it's better than that brown and off-white thing? It's for sale on my website, rusticrehabs.com. You know I sell paint and products too, so that you can take any old decor item and embellish it and make it completely yours. And we have classes and all kinds of videos. So make sure that you are giving us a follow and let us know what we can do to help. There it is. There's the other one. So I'll have a pair of these for Christmas time. I thought this was very sweet for next Easter. And I did get a piece of art. It's a truck for Christmas time in the snow. It was $5, but most of the art, like I said, was really overpriced. This is a nice neutral little bunny for next spring. I think it was $3 or $4. After thrifting, I was planning to meet my son Ian for lunch in downtown Waukesha, and I was starting to get low blood sugar and get over this entire situation. But I think I got another wind, a second wind, and started to find some good stuff here because my cart got way full. It's coming off of our first ever parking lot rummage sale last weekend, and it was a success. We had 4 vendors, and they all said they would come back. So look for another event. I'm looking to do a flea market in October, so stay tuned because we will be selling spaces for that too. I did like this Santa, so he came home with us. And this little one. This cute little boy and girl also got an update using crinoline and then plaster with some dark wax. Here's the fancy shaving cream. This clock was $12.99 and the battery was even working. It's one of the coolest finds I've had in a while. So this is available at the shop too. These definitely give me Pier 1 or World Market vibes, and I had to get them. I spent $100 at this Goodwill. I didn't expect it to be that high. I guess I lost track, but that's the way it goes. I will see you again next time. Thanks so much for watching.